Joining us now is legal analyst and criminologist Casey Jordan. Casey, good to have you back with us this morning.
Good morning.
Talk about a thorny issue. Is this coming down literally to just a clerical error? I mean, the letter from the Florida Department of Corrections is right here. It says, your time has been served. Best of luck to you.
Best of luck in the future. And the real question is, did Casey Anthony even understand that she was on probation while she was in jail? Now, Cheney Mason says that she was interviewed, but it doesn't appear that any probation officer went to visit her. There were conditions that were laid out in that order that included, number one, I find this comical, stay away from all people involved in crime. Well, she's in jail, so that's already a violation. I don't know whether she paid her $20 a month for a probation supervision fee. She didn't, as far as I know, hold down a job, which was also a condition of her probation. So it was simply a clerical error in terms of putting the word concurrent in there. In the sentence before, it said that she shall serve it upon release. Well, you can't have it both ways, but it does raise the legal question, should she get off on the technicality?
Yeah. So then in terms of that filing that was made, how does this all figure in?
Well, two issues in the emergency motion that Cheney Mason filed yesterday. Number one, they do not like Judge Strickland. They talk about his unbridled prejudice. They want him removed from this because earlier this week, Judge Strickland amended the order to clarify what his intent was, that the intent was that she would start her probation as soon as she was out of jail. And if Florida correctional officials made a mistake, too bad. No reason why she can't start her probation now. Nothing would have changed with her situation being in holding while on trial. So you have two issues here. Does she get off on the technicality? But they don't want Judge Strickland to decide that because they already believe he has it in for Casey Anthony.
And this Judge Stan Strickland, has expressed to local TV stations shock and utter disbelief upon hearing the verdict. So there is that bias that does exist there.
Absolutely.
Now, if she were to have to, I guess, be on probation for a year, her address then becomes public record. And that's exactly what they don't want right now. So the defense sounds as though with all of this going on, they may have a pretty good case this time around.
They do, but the issue is you can always arrange for probation to be served in a different location. They work with other states' probation's office all the time. So there's nothing that says she does need to come back for that hearing as early as tomorrow, but there's nothing to say they can't make arrangements for her to serve it elsewhere. The issue that they're really trying to raise is her personal security. They don't want anyone to know where she is, and they think that this is a huge waste of Casey Anthony's time.
Well, you can bet there'll be plenty of cameras trained on that trained there yet tomorrow to make sure she shows up and see if she does. Casey, thanks. Always good to have you with us.
Always great to be here.